Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. We can meet again with Zoom meeting. How are you today, my students?
We are fine, thank you.
Yes, I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah, I hope you always fine, always healthy, and always happy ya. Before we going to our material, let's say basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
First I want share my screen ya. Wait a moment. You can see my screen? Yeah. Before we going to our lesson today, I want to ask to Miko, do you get bad score or good score?
Good score.
Good score. How many do you get?
80.
Alhamdulillah. All of you get a good score ya. And now we going to our new material. The title is procedure text ya. The first is lesson goals. The lesson goals, you can see the lesson goals ya. And then next, have you ever made food or something from watching tutorial on YouTube? Have ya? Of course, all of you have watching something tutorial on YouTube. And next, here I want to explain about the definition of procedure text. The definition is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of actions or steps. And next, the purpose of this text is to tell the reader how to do or make something through a sequence of actions or steps. Yeah. And here there are three kinds of procedure text. The first is recipe. Recipe is how to make some food or how to make a drink. And next is tutorial. Tutorial is for the example like how to create account Facebook or how to edit video or how to edit photo. And next, the last is manual. Manual is for the example you make some cake. Manual is how tutorial how to make a kite or how to make a pencil box ya. And next, there are three generic structure of procedure text. You must pay attention if you want to make a procedure text. The first is goal. Goal is content, the purpose of the text. Next is materials. Material is content of the materials that used in the process. And the last is steps. Step is content of the steps to make something in the goal. Yeah. And next, the language features. There are many language features here. The first is using simple present tense. Present tense is verb 1. And using imperative, using action verbs. For the example, make, take, boil, and cook. And next, using temporal conjunction, first, then, next, after that, last. And the last is using adverbs. Yeah, for the example, for 2 hours or for 3 hours, like that. Here there is some text, yeah. How to make a cheese omelette. Who won't read this text? Akil, or who won't read this text?
How to make a cheese omelette. Ingredients: 1 egg,
Next,
15
50
Cat.
cheese. So, one.
One cup milk.
Okay, next.
3
Uh-uh.
tablespoons cooking oil. I pinch out salt and pepper.
Okay, next. Attention.
Utensils, frying pan, spatula, scissors, grater, bowl, and plate.
Oke, stop ya. Oke, next for Darul, you can continue this text. Darul, where's Darul?
Yes.
Okay, Darul, can you read this text?
Method. Crack the egg into a bowl.
Next.
Toast whisk the egg with a fork until it's smooth.
Okay, next.
Terus add milk and whisk well. Grate the cheese into the bowl and stir.
Okay.
Get the oil in frying pan. Turn the omelette with spatula and cook both sides. Place on a plate, season with salt and pepper.
Okay, good job. You can read this text. Okay, this text is about how to make cheese omelette, and there are many ingredients, and there also a method for make a cheese omelette. Okay, here I want discuss the language features. The first is generic structure. Okay, who knows what is the goal of this text? Rokim, the goal of this text?
How to make cheese omelette.
Okay, right. Okay, for the material, who knows what is the materials of this text? No? Okay, okay, who can answer? What is the materials of this text?
One egg.
Okay, next.
50 grams cheese.
Cheese, 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, a pinch of salt and pepper.
Okay, good job ya. You are very right. The materials is 1 egg, 50 gram cheese, 1 cup milk, and etc. And next, what is the steps of the text? Who knows? Maybe Ilham Fatur Rahman, do you can answer? What is the steps of the text? Ilham, where is?
Yes.
What
Method cracks the egg into a bowl. Whisk the egg with a fork until it's smooth.
Okay,
next. Add milk and whisk well. Grate the cheese into the bowl and stir. Add the oil in frying pan. Turn the omelette with spatula and cook both sides. Place on a plate, season with salt and pepper.
Okay, very good ya, all of you. I hope understand ya this material, and we discuss the language features. Okay, yes. The language features for the first. Where is the present tense? Who can answer? Where is the present tense? Who can answer the present tense? Noval can answer. You can answer the present tense.
Correct.
Okay, right. And next, where is the imperative? Akil, do you can answer? Where is the imperative of this text? Akil?
Whisk.
Oh, okay, Novel, never mind. Okay, you are right, whisk. Next, where is the action verb?
Add.
What?
Add.
Yeah, add. Okay, you are right. Okay. Until here, is there any question? Do you have understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah, if you are understand
Yes.
all the materials, yeah. Just now we have to discuss all the material. Okay. Before it, you must check your Google Classroom, yeah. In your Google Classroom here, you must check this task, yeah. Click task procedure text. Okay, here.
Okay.
This is the first you must do your task on your notebook. Take a picture and upload here. Okay, yeah. I will open the task. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah. Because okay. Here you must identify the kinds of procedure text first. This is recipe or material or tutorial or manual, yeah. And then you must identify the generic structure, the goal, the material, and the last step. And here you must give two example language features. Yeah, there is present tense, imperative, action verb, temporal, conjunction, and adverbs. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. We have discussed all our material, and before we close our meeting today, let's say hamdalah.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin.
For next meeting, we discuss about still procedure text, yeah, and then
Yeah.
see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.